Hi, my name is Rob Colleen for MORryde International. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new StepAbove and how to qualify it for your unit. Step one is to make sure that your unit is level. Step two is to measure the top of the threshold to the ground. The next step is to locate the sticker inside the door. It's either in the middle or the bottom. In this case, it's covered. If it's either missing or covered, you measure inside of flange to inside of flange. As you can see on this door, from inside of flange to inside of flange, we have a width of 28 inches. After you have your height and your width, you can use our step qualifier to determine the appropriate StepAbove part number. The next step is to take the threshold transition out and make sure that it's between 3/4 of an inch and 5/8. The skirting below the threshold cannot stick out more than 3/4 of an inch. If your door has a strut, it only enables your door to come out this far, thus your steps will not be able to come down, so you have to take the strut off. If there's trim on the back side of the door lip, sometimes it may need to be notched or completely taken out if it's too thick. The trim will need to be notched where the step latches would engage to the flange on the inside of the door. If you purchase the optional handrail, you need 33 inches of clearance facing the door. As you can see, this one has over 34 inches, so the optional handrail would work. On the bottom of the door to the top of the threshold, you must have 3/8 of an inch clearance. Our qualification sheet can be found on our website at www.MORryde.com. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 574-293-1581 or send an email to sales@MORryde.com.